Welcome back to Brain Tech Talk. If you're passionate about the latest in tech, you've come to the right place. Today, we have some exciting news about Honor's upcoming launch. Mark your calendars for June 24th because Honor is officially launching the Play 60 Plus, and we've got an exclusive sneak peek at what to expect. First up, power users are going to love the massive 6,000 mAh battery, say goodbye to constant charging, and enjoy long-lasting usage all day. Under the hood, the Play 60 Plus is powered by the robust Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. And with two storage configurations available, 12 GB of RAM paired with either 256 GB or 512 GB of storage, you'll have all the space you need for your apps, photos, and videos. Photography enthusiasts, this one's for you. The Play 60 Plus features a dual camera system with a 50MP main sensor that captures stunningly high-quality shots. Plus, there's a 5MP front-facing camera for all your selfie needs. Other notable features include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick and easy access, a 3.5mm headphone jack for audio flexibility, and IP64 water resistance for added durability. The price of the Honor Play 60 Plus hasn't been revealed yet, but we're eagerly waiting. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates as the launch date approaches. That's all for today's sneak peek of the Honor Play 60 Plus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Brain Tech Talk for more exciting tech updates. And as always, stay ahead of the curve with Brain Tech Talk. See you next time.